VTech proudly presents the MS Polymer Sealant, an advanced sealant that combines the strengths of silicone sealant and polyurethane sealant, while also addressing some of their inherent weaknesses. MS Polymer Sealant is also known as modified silicone or hybrid sealant. MS Polymer is a technology invented by Kaneka Corporation, Japan, and has been promoted and adopted all over the world. Working closely with Kaneka Corporation, Vital Technical is now the #1 manufacturer of MS Polymer Sealant in ASEAN. MS Polymer Sealant is recommended for construction applications such as sealing of concrete joint, window perimeter, aluminium composite panel, natural stone, and so on. So what makes VTech MS Polymer Sealant a better choice? Feature number 1. Excellent UV resistance. Sealant applied on building exteriors are subjected to rigorous weather conditions, which will cause damages to its physical state, leading to the loss of its designed functionalities. Compared with polyurethane sealant, MS Polymer Sealant has a much better UV resistance for achieving longer service life. Feature number 2. No bubbling. When sealant is applied, it is exposed to moisture from the ambient environment as well as its adjacent substrates. Polyurethane sealant contains a chemical called isocyanate, which upon reaction with moisture releases carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide molecules in turn form bubbles and voids in the sealant bead, which can cause an uneven sealant surface. Over time, the voids in the sealant bead may also cause a cohesive failure. Since MS Polymer Sealant does not contain isocyanate, there will be no bubbling issue. Feature number 3. Damp substrate bonding. Without isocyanate, MS Polymer Sealant can therefore be applied on damp substrates, which is prohibited with polyurethane sealant. This feature allows application of sealant even after rain, thus giving your project a great flexibility. Feature number 4. No shrinkage. Many polyurethane sealants contain solvent which evaporates during the curing process, causing sealant shrinkage. MS Polymer Sealant is totally free of solvent and water, hence no shrinkage. Feature number 5. Non-staining. Most silicone sealants contain non-reactive silicone oil that will migrate into or onto adjacent substrates, causing stains. MS Polymer Sealant does not contain silicone oil, therefore there is no substrate staining issue caused by silicone oil migration. Feature number 6. Less fluid streaking. As non-reactive silicone oil migrates onto its surface, more air dust particles will adhere to it. After a sustained period of wash-up by rainwater, fluid streaking or bleeding will appear on the building facade. In the absence of silicone oil, such an aesthetic issue will be minimal with MS Polymer Sealant. Feature number 7. Paintable. MS Polymer Sealant is paintable with most water-based paints for color matching purposes, a useful feature which is not feasible with silicone sealant. Over the years, Vital Technical has developed a comprehensive range of MS Polymer Sealants for meeting specific project requirements. VT620 meets ISO 11600 and ASTM C920 joint sealant standards with 50% movement capability and is compliant to low VOC SCA QMD Rule 1168 standard. It is recommended for sealing window perimeter and various types of concrete joints like precast wall panel joint. VT624 is the economical MS polymer sealant with 25% movement capability. It is recommended for sealing cement floor fillet and precast wall panel joint. VT625 is the premium grade MS polymer sealant, specially recommended for facade cladding applications like aluminium composite panel and natural stone. It comes with a 10-year material warranty. VT626 is an environmental-friendly MS polymer sealant specially designed for the green building industry. It has been tested and certified to comply with international green building standards. VT629 is the fire-rated grade elastomeric joint sealant based on MS polymer. It achieves up to 4 hours fire rating specification of BS EN 1366-4 2006. Whatever your construction and building sealing application is, you can be sure of finding your high-performance, cost-effective and eco-friendly solution in VTech MS Polymer Sealant. VTech, formulated for the professionals.